First one victim came, after that you have traced the other victims. Okay? Come. ఇది ఒక
మరియమ్మ శ్రీనివాసరావు 36 2383 శ్రీను ప్రసాద్ ఏఎస్ఐ గారు మేడం సిఐ
of Chimakurthi PS, crime number 281 of 2021 for under section 449, 302 and 380 IPC. Idi oka murder for gain case undi. In this we have got information that on 9th October that oka dead body of a lady, a single lady who is living alone has been found inside a locked house. The house was locked from outside. సో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చిన వెంటనే మనం అక్కడ వెళ్ళాము, మన క్లూస్ టీమ్ పంపాము, డాగ్ స్క్వాడ్ పంపాము, అండ్ వీ ఆల్సో స్టార్టెడ్ కలెక్టింగ్ ఆల్ ద టవర్ డంప్స్ అండ్ CDRs of that place. So initially there were no clues because that lady, she does not go out anywhere, and there were no particular disputes which were coming up from the witnesses. So initially we were totally clueless, but because of the good investigation that was done, we started examining all the people in that area, the relatives of the deceased. The deceased name is Medar Matla Sitaramamma, a 56-year-old lady. Her husband died 4 years ago, and she has 3 daughters and 3 son-in-laws, and she lives by renting her buddy shop and by running a tiffin center. So initially when we had no clues, we started examining all the witnesses over there, all the relatives of the deceased, all the people living in that area, and from that we just got one clue that our accused was seen in midnight hours on 2-3 days prior to the offense. So based on that we started investigating this case. In this case strangulate chesi deceased ki champesaru, unknown accused, and then locked the house from outside and went away, and also taken the gold which was worn by the lady at the time when she died, and some cash from the house also. So based on that evidence, just oka chinna clue mida manam work cheyadam start chesamu, and we were able to, within 48 hours we were able to crack this case, which was in the beginning we had absolutely no clues. And what is more is the offense actually took place on 7th. So discovery mundu 2 days mundu jarigindi. So 2 days nunchi that body was lying there only, and because of the high state of decomposition, it was also very difficult to get any clues from examination of the body itself at that time. And so in this case, after deep investigation, we have found that the accused is a pair of 2 women. These 2 women, A1 is Regati Ramadevi and A2 is Dharma Varapu Kumari. So A1 is the main mastermind of this plan. A1 has taken the buddy shop of the deceased on rent, and she knows that this lady, she has some gold and cash in her house. So for last 1 month she has been doing recce in that area to see what is the best time to do this crime, and she has lot of debts, and she also owed money from the deceased. So adi time choose she came in the afternoon in car with A2, and they entered the house, and one of them, A1, started engaging her in conversation, And at the same time, A2 suddenly from back she has come and she has strangulated the victim. And then they have taken one pair of gold bangles, one pair of gold ear studs, one pair of gold ear matilu, one Kasi Kaila beads chain, and one mobile phone and cash, and also the lock by which the key of the lock which they used to close the house before going.